Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view email password in Outlook. Now before we start, you generally can't view an email account password directly inside the Outlook desktop app or even the web browser, but there is a workaround. So if you've saved it via your Google Password Manager or any password manager, to get to that, click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and then click into settings. Now from here where it says search settings, just type in password. And now where it says autofill and password, click on the Google Password Manager. So if you've saved it via this, it's going to show up here. So in order to view it, go ahead and click onto the into Outlook. I'm just using Steam because I haven't saved it. And then just go ahead and hover over where it says show password. I'm not going to do it obviously because this is my password for Steam Powered. And now you're going to be able to view your password like that. Now, if you don't have it saved, that's okay. There's another way what we can do. So go to outlook.live.com. and then click onto your account, sign in, and then click onto my Microsoft account. Okay, once you're inside of here, you're going to be taken to probably your account tab as default. From here, click onto security. Now, once you're inside security, we want to go ahead and change your password. So now this is another way how we can view it, but we will need to log in again. So log in again. Now, once you've done that, it's going to say here, change your password. So go ahead and put in your new password, re-enter your password and save your password so you'll be able to view it at a later date. And now if you've got a Google Password Manager, use that to save your password. So if you ever lose it, just go back to before and you're going to know how to find your password without changing your password again.